this is Joshua and welcome back to another video. And today my brother's there, but he's not going to be joining. Do you want to join in? Okay, my brother's here now. He's here now. And we'll be doing some fireworks today.
We started.
But they're the ground ones. And they're not...
We're not doing full fireworks.
Yeah.
Back up.
Back up, back up. This is going to be weird. Don't set the sea on... Don't set the trampoline on fire. Oh my god, it's... Oh my god, I cannot believe...
Whoa, look at all the smoke.
No, just smoke.
Don't breathe it in.
Gunpowder.
What? I hope that ball was magic.
Got a
How
box
can it
full of
not...
them.
Oh yeah. We're
Got
just
loads
going
of
to do...
different fireworks.
Yeah, we've got loads.
Well,
Look.
look at the one in the background.
Look, there.
That's probably the one
Mummy.
from Tongham.
Look.
Another one.
And some... Whoa. Oh, it's red. It's like a flare. It's like a flare.
I think that is a flare. Oh, it's a flare.
It was.
Oh, that is better. That is better. Oh, this is better. Oh, this is better. No, they're not. Let's
Let's just do the next firework.
Yep, Daddy, next one.
You can just pop in the back.
Yep.
Stand back.
Stand back. Film the fireworks. I'm sorry that my mum's filming because she doesn't really know what to do now. Film. Stop. Oh, it's freezing out here. Mummy, you can't really see.
Go, go,
You will
go.
in a minute when it focuses. It's because Daddy's moving. Oh.
It's another flare.
Why is that ball right next to it?
Don't worry about that.
It punched the ball.
It's just gone.
That was another flare.
Oh, that's
look,
a Roman candle one, isn't it?
It's just still. Oh God!
It's like crisps now.
I'm gonna move.
There's still a little flame.
Joshua, come away now.
Joshua, get away.
Joshua.
Never go back to fireworks, even
No.
if they don't
Well, I was
explode.
just moving the ball out of the way, so
Exactly.
then it doesn't get set on fire, and it'll be a bad video. Just get in the fire brigade.
That's probably.
Oh, this is butter. They're just like flares. Yes, it's not a flare. Oh, cool.
It's like
Whoa.
fireworks for Mini Town.
Oh God, smoke! Don't smell it.
It's like fireworks for Mini Town.
Oh, I'm freezing. It's freezing.
By the way, it's our dad's birthday today as well.
Oh yeah, it's my dad's birthday and my nan.
Hold on, it's not focusing. Hold on, wait a minute.
My nan was around, but she couldn't stay because our granddad couldn't walk out here.
Look, this is a big one.
Yeah, that's a big one. That must be good. Oh, it did nothing. Ooh!
Whoa!
Oh! Oh my God! That one did not launch.
It doesn't matter. That was a good one.
That was a good one.
Yeah, that.
Joshua.
Oh, thank goodness it's gone. Did you see that one that landed over there?
Hold on, Joshua, it's
that-
not focused.
That was a false one.
Yeah, and luckily it's gone.
It wouldn't have exploded if it hit the ground and went down that far.
Oh,
That was the big one.
freezing. If you were here, then it would be freezing. That's why we have one.
Yeah, well,
Watch out! Fireworks!
Watch out! Come on, move out of the way.
Okay,
You don't want to be burning on your birthday. Oh, this one's lighting up the whole place.
That's just another burning candle.
Rubbish! Rubbish!
Rubbish!
Rubbish! We've got rubbish fireworks.
Joshua,
Joshua,
bend-
put them
Joshua,
back.
put them back. Joshua, come here. Face that way. Bend over.
No!
Please do not watch
You've got a
that.
firework bet.
I don't.
Just
Keep going.
It's on, Daddy. Nope. That one's not working.
Daddy, do not get your fingers chopped off.
Slip.
Oh, run! He's just walking.
Oh.
Just another flare. Just another stupid flare. What? Why do we just have flares?
Well, we didn't buy fireworks for tonight, Joshua.
Oh.
So we were expecting to go to a fireworks display, weren't
Oh
we?
yeah, we have. Oh, there's loads of smoke.
Don't breathe it in, mate.
Oh, it smells so disgusting, that smoke. Gunpowder!
Oh, there's
Joshua.
another one. Get back. I think this one's going to shoot.
There it is. Oh! Oh! I've just...
These ones don't explode. Whoa.
Whoa!
That,
Oh, that was it.
Oh, well, that was good.
Please tell me it is it.
Ooh,
what?
this sounds a bit more promising.
What is it called?
Ooh!
What's it called?
One got me!
It's going to sing happy birthday to Daddy.
Our neighbours is going to be doing theirs later.
Mm.
So luckily that they won't do it at the same time as ours. Oh, let's watch it.
Really? What was it called?
It's just another flare.
What was it called? That smells nice though.
Well, it had boom in the title, but that didn't happen.
It had boom.
Are there
in
a
the
sell-by
title.
date on
Can
them?
I choose one?
No boom.
Can I choose one, Daddy?
Well, Daddy's just going through them.
Boom, boom, boom.
Astrot. Do the
Yeah.
Astrot.
Oh no, that one looks
What's
good.
that?
That's a firework lighter.
Oh. Do
Oh.
Astrot.
We thought that it was a fireworks, so I was panicking. I was like,
It was
oh,
a bit
what?
close.
What? Why is he lighting a firework? Oh, I better stand back.
It's on.
Just use that. That won't work.
Astrot.
Hmm.
Oh, come on. That's not even lit.
It will light it, Joshua.
Fireworks!
It's meant to be good at catching fire, so it should.
Get back! Get back! Ah!
Oops, that was the wrong side.
Just use this! I'm just gonna fall.
Oh,
That just shot across there, Daddy.
Whoa! This one's better.
Oh, that's pretty.
Oh yeah, it's still going. Come on.
That was better than the last ones, at least. Give me a hug.
No, remember the long one? That one was good. Remember the long one? That was good.
No, Joshua, choose a firework before
Okay.
Daddy. For the next one. Choose out of them two for the next one.
Oh, just two more.
Which one? Which name's the best?
Golden Oral.
I've got one.
I know for the next one.
Silver Rain. This one.
Silver Rain next.
Not purple rain.
No! It's gonna rain silver.
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 It's getting so cold.
I know. Amazing. In the moonlight.
It's going.
Oh, it's going, it's going, it's going.
Daddy. No, that was good. Joshua's next one was this one, Daddy.
That was snap, crackle and
Silver
pop.
Rain.
It's tiny, this one.
It doesn't matter. It might be good.
That's
What?
the noise it was making. It's going boom, 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 boom.
You just got a boom in your side. Look behind you.
And if Daddy, ow!
Come on,
And if Daddy thought that one of the ghost balloons were just a firework and then boom.
He's going.
Down
He's
bow.
going.
Oh.
Whoa! Silverine's good.
Look, here's smoking. Radish.
Last one.
They do those
It's the last one,
30
right? I
shot
need to get something.
cakes down at Tesco's for £6.
He's just getting something. Don't do the firework. Don't do the firework.
Last one, Joshua.
Don't light the firework. Yeah, wait for Joshua to get back. Wait for him to get back. Don't light it.
He's just putting it in, Callum.
He's got it.
I got it. Do not film it.
Do not film the object.
Shut the door, Joshua. Right,
Don't want any
last
smoke
one.
in the door.
Last one.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh, that was good.
That's it.
Yay.